Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best phones that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Meet the Motorola Razr 2025, a stylish foldable smartphone featuring a large 6.9-inch AMOLED display, compact flip design, and smooth Android 15 experience. The Pantone Spring Bud color gives it a fresh and premium look that stands out instantly. Priced around $564.99, the Razr 2025 offers impressive value for a foldable smartphone. Compared to many premium foldables that cost much more, Motorola delivers a modern flip phone experience with strong specs, useful outer display features, and a flagship-style design at a more accessible price point. Stunning foldable display. The phone features a massive 6.9-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED main display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling, gaming, and video playback. Useful external screen. The external display lets users quickly check notifications, answer calls, control music, and preview selfies without opening the phone. Powerful 50MP camera. The 50MP main camera captures detailed photos with vibrant colors and solid low-light performance. The foldable design also helps create unique hands-free photo and video angles. Smooth performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor with 8GB RAM, the Razr handles multitasking, social media, streaming, and gaming smoothly. Android 15 experience. Running on Android 15, the phone offers updated security, smart features, and Motorola's clean software experience with useful gestures and customization tools. Compact and premium design. When folded, the Razr becomes extremely compact and pocket-friendly while still feeling premium and durable. Pros. Stylish and compact foldable design. Large 120Hz AMOLED display looks excellent. Useful outer display for quick tasks. Good 50MP camera quality. Smooth performance for daily use. More affordable than many foldable competitors. Cons. Battery life may not match traditional flagship phones. Foldable crease is still slightly visible. Not the most powerful chipset for heavy gaming. Charging speed could be faster for the price. Number 4. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's next-generation foldable phone featuring a huge 8-inch display, AI-powered camera tools, flagship performance, and a sleek silver shadow finish built for power users. At $864.99, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 offers premium foldable technology with flagship-level hardware, large storage, multitasking features, and advanced AI tools. For users wanting both a smartphone and mini tablet experience in one device, it delivers strong value in the premium category. Massive 8-inch foldable display. The Fold 7 features a stunning 8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED main display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making gaming, streaming, reading, and multitasking incredibly immersive. Snapdragon 8 Elite performance. Powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 12GB RAM, the phone handles heavy multitasking, gaming, video editing, and AI processing smoothly. AI photo editing features. Samsung's AI tools allow users to remove objects, improve photos, enhance portraits, and edit images quickly using advanced on-device AI technology. Huge 512GB storage. With 512GB internal storage, users get plenty of space for apps, games, videos, and high-resolution photos. Android 16 with One UI 8. The Fold 7 runs Android 16 with One UI 8, offering advanced multitasking, split-screen support, productivity features, and Samsung ecosystem integration. Long battery life. Samsung optimized the Fold 7 for all-day battery performance despite the large display, making it suitable for work and entertainment throughout the day. Pros. Large and immersive 8-inch AMOLED display. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Excellent multitasking experience. AI-powered photo editing tools. Premium foldable design and build quality. Massive 512GB storage capacity. Cons. Expensive compared to standard smartphones. Foldable crease is still noticeable. Heavier than regular flagship phones. Charging speed could be faster. Number 3. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S26, Samsung's latest compact flagship smartphone featuring Galaxy AI, a smooth 120Hz display, premium performance, and a stylish sky blue finish. Priced at $799.99, the Galaxy S26 offers flagship features, advanced AI tools, premium build quality, and long-term software support. It's a strong value option for users wanting high-end Samsung performance without stepping into ultra-pricing territory. Compact premium design. The Galaxy S26 features a sleek and lightweight body with a comfortable 6.3-inch display, making it easy to use one-handed while still delivering a premium feel. Smooth 120Hz display. The immersive AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and sharp visuals for gaming, streaming, and social media. Galaxy AI features. Samsung's latest Galaxy AI tools help with photo editing, smart suggestions, live translations, writing assistance, and productivity improvements. Powerful performance. Combined with 12GB RAM and a next-generation processor, the Galaxy S26 handles multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps smoothly. Long battery life. Samsung optimized the battery for all-day performance, allowing users to stream, game, browse, and work without frequent charging. Android 16 with One UI 8.5. The phone runs Android 16 with Samsung's latest One UI 8.5, bringing smoother animations, customization, security improvements, and better multitasking. Pros. Compact and premium flagship design. Smooth and vibrant 120Hz AMOLED display. Excellent Galaxy AI features. Strong everyday and gaming performance. Long battery life. 256GB storage with 12GB RAM. Cons. No expandable microSD storage. Charging speed may lag behind some competitors. Premium price for a non-ultra model. Camera upgrades may feel minor for existing Samsung users. Number 2. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's latest ultra-premium foldable phone featuring a massive 8-inch display, Galaxy AI features, flagship performance, and a stunning blue shadow finish. Priced at $1,699.99, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 targets premium users who want cutting-edge foldable technology, tablet-style multitasking, advanced AI tools, and flagship-level performance in one device. While expensive, it offers one of the most advanced smartphone experiences available today. Massive 8-inch foldable AMOLED display. The Fold 7 features a large 8-inch immersive AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering excellent visuals for gaming, movies, multitasking, and productivity. Advanced Galaxy AI features. Samsung's latest Galaxy AI tools help users edit photos, remove unwanted objects, summarize notes, translate conversations, and improve productivity using smart on-device AI technology. Flagship-level performance. With 12GB RAM and a high-performance flagship chipset, the Fold 7 handles gaming, multitasking, video editing, and demanding apps effortlessly. 512GB internal storage. The massive 512GB storage provides plenty of room for apps, games, videos, and high-resolution photos without worrying about space. Premium foldable design. The Fold 7's foldable design transforms from a smartphone into a mini tablet, making it ideal for productivity, multitasking, and entertainment on the go. Long battery life. Samsung optimized the Fold 7 for extended battery life, helping users enjoy all-day performance even with the large display and heavy multitasking. Pros. Huge and immersive 8-inch AMOLED display. Excellent multitasking capabilities. Powerful Galaxy AI features. Premium foldable build quality. Strong flagship performance. Large 512GB storage capacity. Cons. Very expensive compared to regular flagship phones. Foldable crease is still slightly noticeable. Heavier and thicker than standard smartphones. Charging speeds could be faster for the price. Number 1. Meet the OnePlus 15, a powerful flagship Android phone featuring Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 performance, a massive battery, and a super smooth high refresh display built for speed and endurance. Priced at $999.99, the OnePlus 15 sits in the premium flagship category. Considering its 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, next-gen chipset, and huge battery, it delivers strong value for gamers, power users, and multitaskers who want long-lasting performance. Extreme performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB RAM, the phone handles heavy gaming, multitasking, 4K editing, and AI tasks effortlessly. Massive 7,300 mAh battery. A standout feature is the 7,300 mAh battery, offering extended usage time for gaming, streaming, and productivity far above most flagship phones. Ultra-smooth display. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 165Hz refresh rate delivers extremely fluid scrolling, responsive gaming, and sharp visuals. Huge storage. With 512GB internal storage, you get plenty of space for apps, games, 4K videos, and large files. Android 16 experience. Runs on Android 16, offering a clean UI, fast animations, and improved AI-based system optimization. Dual SIM and connectivity. Supports dual SIM 5G, making it perfect for business users and travelers. Pros and cons / review notes, 0 to 25 seconds. Pros. Extremely powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Massive 7,300 mAh battery life. Ultra-smooth 165Hz display. Huge 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage. Great for gaming and multitasking. Clean Android experience. Cons. Large battery makes phone slightly heavy. Premium price tag, $999.99. No mention of wireless charging, may vary by model. Overkill specs for casual users. If you're looking for a true performance beast, the OnePlus 15 is worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the best deals. Like this video if you enjoyed the review. Subscribe for more smartphone reviews and comparisons like this.